As mothers, let us stop normalizing struggling and challenges in our motherhood journey. I believe that our motherhood journey is supposed to be amazing. It's supposed to be a blessing. I'm not saying that there should be no growth. Definitely no. There should be growth. But let us stop normalizing problems and struggles in motherhood, because I believe there's a solution. There's a solution to this. For me, I believe every mother needs one thing. They need support, which you cannot buy in a local store, and we also need empowerment. So my name is Nasteri. I'm also a mom of two. I work in the mom and baby space for now over 10 years, and I'm also a health educator or a nurse educator. And in this space, I nurture women all the way from men, all the way from trying to conceive, pregnancy, postpartum, and even beyond. So it is my ultimate joy to nurture you, to empower you, and to offer you that support struggle. So in this video, I want to let you know what you can get from me and from this platform. So as I've told you, I nurture mothers all the way from trying to conceive. So picture this: you are just starting trying to conceive. Maybe you're coming off birth control and you have been trying for several months and it has not been happening. You've gone to the doctors, they've told you, you and your hubby, you are fine, and maybe you've been using birth control for quite some time, or maybe you have not used the birth control, any birth control method, but again conception is not taking place, even though everything else is fine. Like you don't have fibroids, you don't have blocked tubes, you don't have any of those things. You are fine, but conception is not taking place. I nurture you and help you navigate this hurdle. So you are well taken care of. I help you regulate your cycles. I will help you balance your cycles, balance your hormones through very simple detox uh, program, which is really easy. Life should be simple, so let us not complicate things. Life is simple, and one little thing that you do consistently with revelation can actually give you a breakthrough. So it is not so hard to conceive. You just need the right support. So for those group of people, there is something for you, and I'm gonna leave the links for everything in the description. Everything I'm mentioning, every service, every product that we offer, you're gonna find the links in the description. So that is that category of people, of mothers. And then you conceive. Congratulations, now you're pregnant. How do you navigate your first trimester that is full of challenges? I have something for you: nurturing, total support for you. I nurture you all the way from first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, and prepare you for labor and birth. I know sometimes when you go, when you're nearing your labor and delivery, you may be feeling anxious and afraid. You don't know where to begin. You don't know whether you are built for that. So I prepare your body and your mindset for that, so that you're ready for your big day, and so that you can have this beautiful, really amazing birth story. So there's that total support for you that you can find in the video, in this video description, and there for you every step of the way. And now you've delivered your bundle of joy. Congratulations, now you are on your postpartum. This is now an entire new realm. Postpartum is whereby you are transitioning from maybe being just you to being somebody who is being dependent on by another person entirely. And this can be so scary for some mothers. So postpartum is not a period that is easy. It is a challenging period, but again, with the support, guidance, and empowerment, you will transition into motherhood so easily, so seamlessly. So postpartum challenges are so many. For example, breastfeeding challenges, newborn care issues. There's a lot of, your body's healing, and there's so much going on. So for this group of mothers, we have another nurturing community for you, and there is that one also in the video description. Or if you're watching this from TikTok, kindly just check the link up there on my bio. So these are all the communities that we have: trying to conceive, pregnancy, and postpartum. And you can even be nurtured all the way, because for me, I have my last born is 7 years old, and sometimes I still need support. Not maybe of this the newborn phase, but again, each year, each phase of parenting requires support. So for you, I'm offering you this kind of support, and I want you to take full advantage for you so that you can navigate motherhood with ease, with zero challenges, and when you are challenged by something, you know where to turn to. So our community is ranked as one of the most nurturing communities on the globe, and it is ranked that. You can also join our subscription communities on this platform. In there, if you need extra support, we do have that extra support on this channel, on this platform, for you, for our members only. So there's also a link in there that you can actually just join in here, because I meet you at least once a week live just for our members for that extra support. So if you don't need to maybe book a whole service or a product or just something like that, and you just want to be in part of our community on this platform, that is also a great option, because I always meet up with you live every single week, and you get a chance there to ask whatever question you have as far as trying to conceive all the way to postpartum care and baby care is concerned.